Good afternoon, everybody. My name's David Keegan. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the new partnership that's starting here with Australian Presence. I currently am the CEO of an international organisation working with refugees and immigrants, and I've worked for a long time with Sunil Naniakara in legal services, both in my current company and previously. And I've had the privilege of working with him in the team for many years, and I've recently met Asef and Ali, and I think there's a great partnership forming there. One of the things I've learned to appreciate is that being an immigrant or a refugee is really challenging. There are many things that you have to learn to navigate through the immigration system, but also immigrants are really determined, like to start their own business, and there's a whole range of legal issues that you need support with. Quotes that I've been reminded of when I was thinking about this was a quote by the famous car manufacturer Henry Ford, who said that a business that only makes money is a poor business. And I think that has application here in that these guys in Australian Presence are not about just making money, they're about doing good for people in the community. And I think this is a great example here of a partnership with the community to try and provide legal services that are really about helping the community to achieve their goals and objectives.
خوشحال شدم امروز بسیار روز خوبیه روز زندگی ما ان شاء الله که امیدوارم که ما را صبر و حوصله بده که بتونیم برای جامعه خودمان و برای همیشه ان شاء الله خدمت کنیم. Thanks for everyone to coming today. So we really appreciate it. I know it's a bit hot, but we try to keep it as much as fun as we can and enjoyable for everyone. Thank you.
Everyone, I'd also like to add my thanks for the very warm welcome we've had from everyone in Adelaide, and for all of you attending our opening event. I think I've told a few of you when we opened our practice in the centre of Sydney, we did it to no fanfare, and we didn't have a food fair, and we certainly didn't have a crowd of smiling faces welcoming us.
I'm delighted to be at this very special occasion where we are launching a new business that is most needed to the community. Law always is a very important part of each community, particularly those community who are settling in a new environment, new community with a new law.
In Australia there are lots of complex laws that relate to immigration, as well as how you run a company, how you set up property, how you go about a sale of a property, setting up your will. Lots of different things like that are involved in getting through life in Australia. So a law firm can help with a range of those different things and help you to understand what your options are and to make informed choices. And I guess some people don't realise that a lawyer can help you make better decisions and end up costing you less in the long term.
What is, well, obviously you're in the middle of the African community, is just Prospect, obviously. What sort of offers can you have for the people here in the community?
So I think most commonly for the community here locally, it's likely to be when you have a family member that you might want to bring out from your home country there's various complicated laws you need to focus on to do that. You might be involved in selling or buying property, you might need support with that. You might have a family member or relative that's passed away or quite ill, and you need to work out how to sort out their estate. There are many day-to-day things that can be involved, but there's also, you might get involved with the law, you might get in trouble with the law, you might have a traffic fine that you need assistance with. There are many things that
the legal firm can help with?
Firstly, how good it is and an honour, feel very humbled about cutting the ribbon of this new business, and I think that the community are going to welcome having this gap closed where there hasn't been any legal opportunities for, when they first settled here in this area.
What's important for the infield community, obviously? What's the important?
For the broader community, I believe that it's extremely important that now we do have this service, and I think that they'll do very well, and I've noticed that there's some very young lawyers here, and I think that's important for the community as well.
All right. Thank you, Carol.
Thank you.
سلام چی میدونی اینجا کردی؟ چیکار کردی؟
این آنجا مستقیم میکنم بیرون میمونار میشم.
چطور محفل امروز به نظرت یک کلان گپ است برای کمیونیتی ما و شما؟
واقعا محفل خیلی خوب بود، بهترین بود. این چیزایی که به حساب اینا شروع کردن این کار واقعا جامعه کمیونیتی همه مردم ما واقعا نیاز دارن. یکی از خوبی‌هاش است که به حساب خود از اینا زبان ما شما رو میتونن گپ بزنن تا مشکلاتایی که در جامعه میتونیم به سادگی حل کنیم. و در ضمن یک ایمپروومنت و یک موفقیت جزئی از جامعه از ما به حساب اساس یک بیزنس ایمپروو کنم خیلی اثرگذار در جامعه. چیزی خیلی خوبه، من خیلی خیلی زیبا بود، خوب بود.
زنده باشی. تشکر. چطور بود برنامه امروز؟
والا بسیار برنامه خوب بود. همونطور که ما انتظار داشتیم دوستا بسیار زیاد تشریف آورده بودن، قدم بلند کردن و بسیار برنامه خوب بود، بسیار فن بود. مهمانان خصوصی بسیار زیاد داشتیم و برنامه بسیار خوب بود.
بسیار خوب. بالاخره خب زیادتر بگو اینا بر ما که افتتاح شد. روز دوشنبه بخیر شروع میکنین در کار. چی توقع داری از مردم؟ چی کارا بر مردم میتونین شما بکنین برای مردمی که به حساب در اینجا هستن؟ خب زیادتر که ما کمیونیتی افغان ها هستیم، سر از وقت بر ما زیادتر گپ بزنیم.
سرویس ما کاست اولا که برای فقط برای ایمیگریشن نیست، یک لیگل لو فرم است و سرویس های ما قسمت ایمیگریشن هست، قسمت پراپرتی لا هست، کریمینال هست، کامرشال، کورپوریت لا و کل قسمت ها را ورکرز کامپنسیشن، کل قسمت ها را ما کار میکنیم و برای یک فقط فارسی زبان نیست، برای کلی است و امیدوارم که بتونیم خدمت خوب برای مردم ارائه بدیم.
بسیار خوب. میفهمید که یکی از مشکلات عمده برای مردم ما و شما مشکل زبان است، نه؟
بله.
در مشکل زبان چی رقم پیش میاد؟ شما ترجمان میگیرین یا برشان یا
در همونطور که امروز دیدین و مصاحبه کردین وکیلای ما کلگیشون فارسی زبان نیستن، ولی ما خودم هستم و نیجانم هستم در اینجا و همچنین ریسپشنیستی که ما داریم اینجا اینا فارسی زبان هستن، میتونن کمک کنن و حتی اگر ترجمان هم کار داشتن خب همونطور خودتون اطلاع داریم ما دفتر ایلیسم داریم که دفتر ترجمانی است، خب میتونیم براشون ترجمان هم فراهم کنیم.
خب بسیار خوب. چی توقع داری از مردم؟
از مردم دیگه سپورت توقع داریم و همونطور که ما گفتیم خدا ما را صبر و حوصله بده و قوت بده که بتونیم ان شاء الله یک سرویس خدمات پروفشنال برای مردم ارائه بدیم و از مردم هم توقع داریم که ما را سپورت کنن و از نظر بیزنس و همچنین ما امیدواریم که یک خدمت خوب برای مردم بتونیم انجام بدیم.
زنده باشی آصف جان.
تشکر.